看看下多厚了啊！鹤岗大暴雪啊！你瞧瞧后边。
Massive snowstorm hit the city of Heilongjiang in Hegang Province in northeastern China. Traffic was disrupted on local roads, and all highways, railways and flights were affected. The local area sent snow plows overnight to carry out snow and ice removal operations. On 26 November, 40.7 millimeters of snow had fallen in Hegang, severe blizzard level, breaking the local record for snowfall in a single day in November, and the snow depth had reached 30 centimeters.
这雪这厚度有点像倒雪箱了，够厚。鹤岗的第一场大雪，又百年难得一遇。
看看我的车，看不着了。这下午我媳妇下来清一回呢，都看不着影了。
In addition, snow accumulation in Huzhong, Heilongjiang Province reached 43 centimeters. According to news released by China Weather Network on November 26th local time, strong winds, cooling, rain and snow occurred in central and eastern China. The city of Hegang in Heilongjiang Province, located in the northeast, was exposed to heavy snowfall. Snowfall in northeastern China has entered its heaviest period, with record snowstorms in some areas and temperatures dropping by more than 18 degrees Celsius.
这就是东北大雪啊，雾上了。行，今天雾的还少呢。
The meteorological station constantly issued warnings of snowstorms, cold waves and strong winds, and some cities announced the closure of schools. Hegang announced that schools of all levels and types in the city will be closed for one day on the 26th of the month, and depending on weather conditions, classes will be announced on the 27th of November.
是赶上了，打车也打不着，走回家吧。
雪，除了雪还是雪。就这一天不是过命的交情，千万都别出来啊！啊，走不了了。
11 vehicles were affected by snowfall and icy roads in Ulaanbaatar, Inner Mongolia, on Monday, and local traffic police activated an emergency plan and successfully evacuated 48 people.
雾到旁边的车哟，我的天哪！
It is expected that by the 27th of this month, the temperature in most regions of China will drop by 6 to 10 degrees from west to east, while the temperature will drop by 12 to 14 degrees in some areas and more than 16 degrees in some areas. The cold spell will continue on November 27th, and the central and northern parts of northeastern China will be the core cooling area. and some areas in central and eastern Jilin, central and eastern Heilongjiang, and other places will see temperatures drop by more than 10 degrees Celsius from the day of the 28th.
咋这么厚啊？太厚了。